I want to start this video with a question. Have you ever looked at a 4-0 or 5-0 player and thought, I wish I could play like them? Maybe they're younger, maybe they're more athletic, maybe they have better hand speed, maybe they have a better paddle, or maybe they're just naturally gifted.
If you've ever had thoughts like this, you're not alone. In fact, most players who get stuck at the 3-0 and 3-5 level have convinced themselves of a few false beliefs about what it takes to become a higher level player. These false beliefs sound true on the surface, but they're actually holding you back from improving. The problem with these beliefs is that they give you an excuse. They make improvement feel outside of your control. And when improvement feels beyond your control, you stop focusing on what actually matters.
So in this video, we're going to talk about 6 common false beliefs that keep players stuck at the 3-5 level, and more importantly, the truth that will help you break through to 4-0 and beyond. Stay tuned.
Hey, it's Dustin and Xavier from PaddleBoss, and we help players who are stuck at the 3-0, 3-5 level become confident and respected 4-0 players so they can play smarter, get invited to higher level games, and finally feel like they're playing at their full potential. We're super excited to dive into the 6 false beliefs here in a minute, but before we do, let's take a second and hit the subscribe button so you can be notified every week when our new video comes out. Did you click the subscribe button yet? All right, Xavier, what's the first false belief?
False belief number 1 is that you need a hard serve to play advanced pickleball. When we do our pickleball Zoom calls, I'll often ask a player about their strengths and their weaknesses. I always get a kick out of someone when they tell me that they really struggle with dinks, drop shots, and consistency, but their biggest strength is their serve. I'm not trying to make fun, but this is an underhand serve with the average speed of 45 miles an hour. Even when someone who's 6'5" on their tippy toes is still hitting up on the ball to get the ball over the net, and they're using gravity and topspin to bring the ball back down into the court. A pickleball serve is not a weapon like a tennis serve. Your 2 main goals are to get the serve in and to get the serve deep. If you're someone that is fixated on having the best serve that you possibly can, your energy would be better spent on practicing drop shots and dinks. And if you're someone that feels bad because your serve isn't as good as the people that you play with, let me just say that a hard serve is not what gets you to a 4-0 or 4-5 on Duper.
False belief number 2 is you need the latest and greatest expensive paddle to play advanced pickleball. Every paddle has a face and a core, and most paddle faces are either fiberglass, Kevlar, or carbon fiber. And most cores are polypropylene honeycomb core or a foam core. In those simple varieties, there's hundreds of brands and a wide range of prices. Shameless plug for our signature paddle, the PaddleBoss Pro. It comes with a Kevlar face and a thermoformed core. We really love it, and if you comment PaddleBoss below, we'll send you a link to download the 7 steps to advanced pickleball and enter you into a drawing to win one of these paddles. But let's be honest, the paddle is not what's holding you back, and a $300 paddle is not going to make you better. My brother and I have played lots of singles games against each other over the years and are pretty evenly matched. A while back, I wanted to test this theory out, and I played him with an old wood paddle. I was actually surprised at the consistency that I had with the wood paddle, and I beat my brother with his new flashy paddle. Yes, this paddle technology has come a long way since the early years, but your skills are going to be your skills whether you're playing with a $60 paddle or a $300 paddle.
False belief number 3 is that you need to be able to hit advanced shots to play advanced pickleball. Players become obsessed with learning ATPs, ernies, fancy spin serves, and every trick shot or technique that they see on YouTube. Now, don't get me wrong, there's almost nothing that I enjoy more than hitting a good ATP, but being able to hit an around the post or an ernie is not what's holding you back. Pickleball is a pretty simple game with a small court. In doubles, you're only responsible for covering about 10 feet of the court. You can go much further in pickleball if you keep your game simple and focus on perfecting the basics. A reliable drop, a consistent dink, a controlled volley, good positioning, good decision making. That's it.
False belief number 4 is that you need to be young and in your prime to play advanced pickleball. I know, you see the 28-year-old flying around the court and you think that you have no chance against him. That may be true in basketball or football, but this court is slightly wider than you and your partner's wingspan, and it only takes about 5 steps to get from the baseline to the kitchen. And that's why pickleball is so much fun. It's the great equalizer. You can show up to the courts and beat that 28-year-old if you have consistent pickleball shots and some basic strategy. Pickleball rewards anticipation, positioning, consistency, and patience. I beat younger players simply because I play smarter and am more patient and disciplined. Sure, athleticism helps when it comes to endurance or running out that drop volley, but it's nowhere near as important as most people think. Focus on perfecting the drop, dink, and volley, learn some basic strategy, and get good at looking for the clues to anticipate what your opponents will do next, and you'll be able to hang with the players half your age.
False belief number 5 is that you need to know how to hit spin to play advanced pickleball. I've heard this one a bunch. Spin falls into that category of crafty play, and people get the idea that if they put more spin on the ball, it's going to throw their opponents off so much and win them so many more games and so many more points. Not true unless you played against me in 2020. I had a killer spin serve and won many points because my opponents went right and the ball would kick left. But that's why they banned the spin serve. All other spin in your dinks or drops or drives aren't going to move the needle when it comes to your performance on the court. And the reason for that is there just isn't enough friction created from the carbon fiber paddle and a plastic ball to fool your opponents. Now, spin is useful when it comes to keeping your drive in or hitting a more aggressive topspin dink, but spin is not the reason advanced players are advanced. Spin enhances good fundamentals. It doesn't replace them. A poor shot with spin is still a poor shot. A bad decision with spin is still a bad decision. The truth is that consistency beats spin almost every time in rec play. Before you worry about adding more spin, make sure that you're consistently hitting quality shots first.
False belief number 6 is that you need to have a tennis or ping pong background. I've seen the comments in the posts and in the forums and have heard it plenty of times on the court. There's this underlying belief that if you have a tennis background, that explains why you're good at pickleball. And if you didn't play racket sports in your younger years, you're fighting an uphill battle. Sure, if you've played racquetball or tennis or ping pong in your past life, you probably know how to handle a paddle. But if you bring your racquetball strategy to pickleball, you're not going to get very far. I learned this the hard way because I too began my pickleball experience trying to play singles tennis on the doubles pickleball court. Everything was hit hard. You could say I was a banger. I didn't have a consistent drop shot, and most rallies ended with me hitting my dink into the net. It was really frustrating for me and my partners. It took a long time, but I discovered that pickleball is a strategic game of finesse. Being a banger can only get you so far. Advanced players are winning because they're more disciplined. They make fewer mistakes, they choose better shots, they understand positioning, they stay patient, and they execute the fundamentals consistently. Here's the good news. Even if you don't have a racket sport background, there's hope for you as a pickleball player. We call it the right shot, right spot framework. When you understand this and execute the framework, you'll start beating people with a tennis background.
And speaking of the framework for advanced pickleball, we created a free PDF download that will give you a roadmap to accelerating your skills to advanced pickleball. This video has been all about false beliefs, but this is a free download that will give you a step-by-step process to become an advanced pickleball player without the fluff. If you want it, just type SpinBoss in the comments below and we'll send you the download link, which will also sign you up to win a free SpinBoss Pro paddle.
So when you look back at all the 6 false beliefs, you'll notice a pattern. Every one of them tries to convince you that improvement comes from something flashy. Flashy serves, paddles, shots, age, spin, and racket background. But the truth is, it's much simpler. Higher level pickleball is built on fundamentals: consistency, patience, positioning, decision-making, and discipline. Those aren't sexy answers, and they're not the answers most people want to hear, but they're the answers that actually work. And the moment you stop chasing shortcuts and start focusing on the things that truly matter, your improvement starts to accelerate. Because becoming a 4.0 player isn't about becoming spectacular. It's about becoming reliable. And reliable players win a lot of pickleball games.
Again, if you want the roadmap to consistent advanced pickleball and a chance to win a paddle, just type SpinBoss in the comment section below and we'll send you the link. And if something in this video resonated with you, you're gonna love our next video right here that will give you our 3-part system to play to your best ability. Not everyone can be a pro, but everyone wants to play the game at the highest level that they're capable of. If you're frustrated because you know you could do better, you should watch that video next. A reliable drop, a consistent drink, a consistent drink, Dad.
Nice. There's this underlying belief.
Good.
Yay, we got a video done! Yeah.